Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank of Melbourne online internet banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.bankofmelbourne.com.au. After you come across this official page, click on the log on button in the top right corner and select Internet Banking. Then you'll come to Internet Banking logon page. If you're not registered yet for Bank of Melbourne online internet banking account, then you can click on Register Now link on the bottom of your page. Here you'll have to enter your card or customer access number, security number and your internet password. Then you'll also have to enter your issue number, and if you've forgotten your access number, security number and internet password, then you can click on the forgotten link just beside those options. After entering your details, click on the log on button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Bank of Melbourne online internet banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.